This is our second harvest, so every harvest is getting a little bit, it's increasing, of course, as the heat is increasing too, so it's a little bit challenging to get out here and do the other things like work and kids and everything. With Beverly gone, now I've had to take on all the responsibility of the cooking and the cleaning, and it's too much. But the bright spot the bright spot Bevs, because I know you're watching this, she actually told me that she was watching our blueberry harvest video, and she was like, I miss Ariana so much, I was crying, baby. So Bev, all the way in the Philippines, this video is for you to let you know how the garden is doing, how I am doing, kids are doing well. The connection is a little crazy out there, so we haven't been able to talk to her as much over Skype or Messenger, but here you go, baby. Hope you like it. Let's go check out this video we just did when we harvested this stuff. Looks good to me. Let's go. I promised you guys, since Bev wasn't here, that I would kind of try to be with you every day. So today is going to be our second tomato harvest video. So from right there, you're going to see me go in here and drop some tomatoes into that little box for a few minutes. So come along, enjoy the music. I hope I find some good music for y'all. So enjoy the music and enjoy the tomato harvest. And thank you. God bless you for watching. I'm actually watering at the same time I'm picking this with these soaker hoses from Harbor Freight. I'm actually going to start taking some of them that are blushing right now. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better. As you can see, letting them ripen fully on the vine. I'm finding a few of them that are actually being munched on. So you can use these though for seed saving or for your animal feed. So don't just throw them away and compost them. Let something good come of it. But I'm gonna start taking some of the blushy ones now. That's about it for the harvest. Actually found some few more better bushes that were blushing. Look at that black crumb. Can't afford to let nobody eat that. I want to get that, save some seeds out of it. This is the first one to ripen this season, which is beautiful to me, I guess. Thank y'all for watching. Louisiana Gardening Family. And as always, grow, grow, grow. Peace.